without job, who ain't turning hoes and boulders, they thieving and robber. You say how they lazy and they don't see hell. They don't give you so much in a row and can't buy a bread. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and Facebook or Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and that head dog Julian, all you mash up the land.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, before I talk about this little mix-up going on in Layou, that's a part of St. Vincent, I just still want to address the issue of St. Vincent having one stoplight. And there's still people who is attacking me. Now, I just want to say this. I am not the one who broke all your stoplights in St. Vincent. I am not the one who didn't fix them. You understand? And like I say, the opposition should get up off their ass and deal with these issues. People should be pissed off and in uproar. But one friend of mine, he's from St. Vincent, and he was a law enforcement officer. And what he told me about the stoplight situation, he said the minibus operators, they didn't want the stoplight because they wanted this unruly system, and they galvanized the crowd and protests, and that's how Ralph came into power. Yo, the minibus man, them are some set of pussy. Now, how many minibus have you owned since Ralph come into power? I bet say your buses mash up, broke down. He hasn't invested anything in that sector. We now pussy to do that to the country. With that said, may I talk about this little mix up in Layou. In order to go through this thing here, because this youth, Mr. Games, G-Y-M-E-S, Gay Ames, that's his name, Leon Games. He was murdered in Layou, or Layou. And they're saying that he got killed because of this man right here that he killed. Now this man, Mr. Tambu Patrick, was killed on November 5th, 2023. When he got killed, the police went to the house of Mr. Games and picked up him and his brother. Here's Mr. Games and his brother. Now, I am actually going through this from a report on the Iwitness news website. But I guess the journalist who was writing this is trying to do an interview with the Games family. So they interviewed these two young men, mother, sister, and I guess stepfather. And apparently Mr. Tambu was killed and these two were picked up for it. But also one of Mr. Tambu's family member was also killed, which is this guy right here. This guy right here, his name is Smoke. Patrick, aka Smoke. Now, he's related to Mr. Tambu. So, like I said, they were picked up because there's actually 2 murders. And I guess the police is getting information from people out there. But my thing is, Eyewitness News, I guess their attempt at in doing investigative journalism did a real effing terrible job on this one. I guess Eyewitness News is trying to dig out certain things, but my question is, and these are the questions I'm asking. Why did the police, when Mr. Tambu Patrick died, why did the police target these 2 brothers? It's actually 3 brothers of them. 1 got killed, so there's 2 other brothers, and there's a sister. But why did the police target these guys? And at the time when the police came to their house, I think Mr. Leon and his brother, they were home. So they took them out of the house and took them to the station for 48 hours. Detained the 2 brothers them and let them back out. After they let them out, I guess after that, a masked gunman came up to Mr. Leon and he was actually fighting with this gunman, and the gunman pointed the gun at the kids, at his son and the lady, his lady, and he was trying to unmask the gunman. The gunman got the upper hand of Mr. Leon. The $1 million question to me is, where is all this violence coming from? As far as I see, these guys have nothing. They don't have a pot to piss in and a window to throw it out of. Why is there so much violence in this little area? And why the police is targeting 1 set of people? And not only that, why is nobody getting arrested? This shit is crazy. Now, I'm gonna dig a little bit deeper, but honest to God, the more I am digging in this little piece from the Eyewitness News, the more pissed off I'm getting. They say within 6 weeks there was 4 to 6 murders in this little area, and they did a march, a peace march, and they had some kind of singer on stage and this and that, but you can see that there is no proper structuring of any peace accord or peace march. You can actually see that the police them is nonchalant and they're doing whatever they info they're getting. So you have people working with the police down there in St. Vincent, and when certain things go down, instead of the police do an investigation in the right way, they just kind of like run into these people's house, do this, do that, do this. There's certain things in an investigation, like you need to track the last 48 hours of the person. You need to gather evidence. You need to look for forensic evidence. And forensic evidence, it covers a wide genre. Like for example, Mr. Leon Games, his name is Gay, A-Y-M-E-S, Games or Games. He was wrestling with the gunman, and I'm quite sure there should be some kind of DNA on his fingers or whatnot, but all that is not done. So the police really is doing the most shittiest job on the planet. I think Jamaican police was bad in investigating, but I guess not. And let me tell you something. Jamaican police, I'm saying within the Caribbean and maybe within the world, they are some of the most tactical police because they know how to fight these urban criminals and gangsters. One thing with Jamaica, you think no gangster can't come and go on like them want. Yo, you're dead. You're dying. You understand? So there is something fundamentally wrong with this police force. And the Iwitness media, I mean, they have all the information there, but they're not asking the right questions. They're just interviewing this family and just asking some really dunce-head fucking questions. No, there is a lot of other things I could have talked about in this case, because even one of the two brothers got shot in his face in 2018. A man fired 7 shots off of him. So there is lots of stuff going on around this little area. Now, obviously, like I said, the B-Zibe is the main contender in St. Vincent. So I'm wondering if they are a part of this. But like I say, there's lots of other stuff I could have talked about pertaining to this. But I really want to know what's going on. So yo, if anybody know what's going on, give me a call. I don't even know how to put this shit, but the Iwitness paper, the title of their article it's this: after Layou man's murder, family fears continuation of generational thing. Now, how vague is that when really the article them do should be about the violence in that area, Layou, and how many life is being lost in that area, and it shows that the police is incompetent and not doing a good job. You see what I'm saying? That's really what the article is all about. So when I started this video, I was talking about Leon Games, but obviously it turned into the talk about all the different people who get killed, and then it came into the Iwitness news, how they report the news. If you notice, I'm just kind of obsessed with this article. How them do it like Vibes Cartel say, that obsession, yeah, that's me. And also obsessed with how the police is investigating all the incidents around this area, because like I said, Eyewitness News kind of laid it out in their article, but they're just talking to the family and the mother and the daughter and the two brothers and whatever, but all the right information is there. The police, because the people were telling them. As soon as something happened, the police run up in these people's houses. They don't really investigate like how an investigation should be done. And then the people them have alibi, the police them have no information or evidence and no probable cause, so they detain the guys them for 48 hours. Then after that, couple days later or whatever, one of the brother get killed. And I mean, it's just crazy. If that's the way police operate, yo, I would rather live in Syria or Iraq or even damn Gaza if I am going to live in a country where the police and the government operate like this. It's crazy. So yeah, I want to know what's going on in Layou. And if anybody know what's going on with these murders and these spate of killing, please let me know, because the police is doing a really rotten job. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. But I am going to get down to the bottom of this. I'm out.